In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record line of credit transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up the account correctly, record money you draw from the line, and then record your payments back, including interest, so your books stay accurate. Let's start by setting up your line of credit account. In QuickBooks Online, go to the settings icon, the little gear at the top right, and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including assets, income, expenses, and liabilities. To add your line of credit, click the New button. For the account type, choose Other Current Liabilities. This tells QuickBooks that this is money you owe and that it's due within a relatively short period. For the detail type, select Line of Credit. That makes the purpose of the account very clear. Then give it a clear descriptive name, like Business Line of Credit, so you can easily recognize it later. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now your line of credit is set up as a liability account on your balance sheet. Next, let's record a draw from the line of credit, meaning money you've taken from the line and deposited into your bank. To do this, we'll use a journal entry. Go to the New button and select Journal Entry. On the first line, select the bank account that received the funds. This might be your main checking account. In the debit column, enter the amount you drew from the line and add a short description like Line of Credit Draw, so you remember what this entry is for. On the second line, select the line of credit liability account you just created and enter the same amount in the credit column. This increases what you owe on the line of credit while increasing your bank balance. Once both lines match and the entry is balanced, click Save. Finally, let's record a payment to the line of credit, including both principal and interest. Go to the New button again, and this time select Expense or Check, depending on how you're recording the payment. In the Payee field, enter the name of your financial institution. In the Bank Account field, choose the bank account the payment is coming from. Scroll down to the Category Details section. On the first line, select your line of credit liability account and enter the amount of the payment that is going toward principal. On the next line, select your interest paid expense account and enter the interest portion of the payment for that period. When everything is filled out and the total matches your actual payment, click Save and Close.